The Air Jordan 1 Low SE continues the legacy of one of the most iconic basketball shoes ever created, redesigned for everyday wear and street style. This version features a clean white leather upper that delivers a smooth, durable feel while keeping the look timeless and easy to style. Deep old royal blue details wrap around the swoosh, collar, tongue, and laces, adding a bold yet refined contrast. The glossy finish of the swoosh stands out with a subtle reflective shine that instantly catches attention. Warm brown accents bring balance to the color palette, while the gum yellow outsole adds a classic touch and reliable traction for daily movement. Ventilation holes on the toe box improve breathability and enhance the shoe's layered design. An embroidered wings logo on the heel highlights craftsmanship and heritage. Inspired by the original Air Jordan 1 from 1985, this Low SE blends history, comfort, and modern style, making it a versatile option for both long walks and casual wear.